Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, 5 off of 25 Saturday. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Went to Dollar General, and I wanted to get this one thing, but I decided to get more than just one thing, okay? So, this Toastmaster, these are on sale today, and I think today is the last day. It was Wednesday through today, I believe. That these are on sale for $6. I always wanted one of these, but I was not ready to pay because I think the normal, the regular prices, I think it's actually $15, I believe. $15 or $16, something like that. So I was like, no, I'm not paying that. I'm going to wait because I know they always have these on sale. So they had them on sale. So this is $6. They have this. They have a coffee maker. They have a little blender that chops up like vegetables. They have it's a hand mixer. I'm sorry, not a blender, a hand mixer. And there was a couple of other things that they had, but I wanted just this. I was going to get some more stuff and give it out for Christmas, but I decided, no, I'm not going to do that. I decided not to do it. So I went ahead and got this because y'all, I do have a business, and I do need to use this because some stuff when I melt my products, I do it on my stove. But if I have this, I can just do it right where I'm at and don't have to worry about walking and taking it to my stove, which is nothing wrong with that. But again, I'm glad I got this for $6, okay? The next thing are these utensils. True Living utensils are buy one, get one 50% off. This is a 10-inch whisk, and I needed this for my business, not for to eat or to use in my kitchen. This is just for my business. I wish they had some more because then but when I got here at home, I see that I didn't have, my other ones was gone. So I know they'll come back again with this sale. So next time I will purchase some for my home. And then I had got these all-purpose clips, and I like these clips. So I was wondering where I had got them before because I have some in my kitchen. These are also $1. So this whisk is $1, and these are $1.50. I'm sorry, these are $1.50. So they buy one, get one 50% off. So I'm going to be paying the $1.50, and then this will probably be 50% off. So then, let me make sure of that. Yeah, that's true. So then, y'all, the last thing. Remember, I think it was some videos that I had talked about the Christmas stuff. And I said there was two candle holders that I wanted to get, but I was trying to wait to see if Dollar General was going to have them on sale. Y'all, I could not wait anymore. I said, it's 5 off of 25. I'm going to go ahead and purchase these two because when the 5 off, if they do have that sale, by the time I get over there, they will be probably gone. And they might have been in the sale. They might not have been in the sale. But Dollar General has some cute items for Christmas, you all. They have some to me, it's a little better than the Dollar Tree, which, the Dollar Tree is going up to $1.25. Dollar General's little ornaments are still $1. So it's like, why don't you just get them from the Dollar General? But y'all, let me knock on wood because they've been raised the prices too. So let me not say no. But y'all, these two beauties right here, These two gold candle holders are so cute. The camera's not doing it any justice, but let me show you. They are so cute. They are gold and like a gold tarnish. It's like a gold tarnish, but this one is $10. Let me show you the UPC, so just in case if you want to find it. This one is 10. And then this one right here, and let me show you. And see the top, shiny. And see, look, it's so pretty. This one right here is 12. And there is the UPC on that. Y'all, I said I had to get those too. Because even the cashier, she was like, these are so pretty. I said, yeah. I said, I had to come back and get these. I said, I seen them about a month ago. She's like, yeah, we had started putting our stuff out. And I was like, I'm away. And I thought maybe, you know, that y'all would have your sale. She said, you better get them now. She said, because we might have the sale. I don't know. She said, but these might not be in the sale. Then when people see them, then they'll just, because they was like, they wasn't like out in the open, but I knew where they was. So there was like some more left. So hopefully I went ahead and got these two. I do want two more. I really want two more. When I seen them, I was like, I wasn't going to get 4, but I really want 2 more. But I really got the big one and the little one because you see how it is so pretty. Oh, y'all, so pretty. So, I got them too, okay? And I used my 5 off of 25. But I put my number in, but the 5 wouldn't come off. So, like I said, the cashier had a paper one, so she used the paper coupon. And it came up. So let me show you my receipt. Hold on. So there it is. I paid $25 for all of this. And look at the total savings was $5.50. And you see the subtotal, and everybody's taxes is different. So y'all, if y'all see these, y'all want them. I know they're a little pricey, but to me, they're worth it. If they was not, because listen, to me, they're worth it. They're worth the price that I pay for. Because I'm the type that I don't like to purchase stuff. And to me, it's worth it. I don't like purchasing things that is high price. And I'm like, it'll be on sale. No, it's worth it. So, this right here is my Dollar General haul. 5 off of 25, which is not really low, but it is 25. It was a little more, but make sure you want to go out there and get that. If you need it for $6, these are buy one, get one 50% off for the utensils. If anybody is moving or they get an apartment or a house or whatever, go and purchase them a lot of items. If they're not brand loyal, that's another thing. But just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.